Hello, this is Harvey J from Ask Communication. Now I'm again with another video. I'm here with another unboxing. You can see I have a beautiful looking Motorola box in front of me. You see I have Motorola G31. Lovely looking box. Look at this beauty. Wow, lovely, isn't it? Motorola G31. I think they have so many versions of the Motorola phone. The bottom we have some tags, some information. This side we have more information written, and the top, this side you can see have the tag and the Motorola written here. At the back side you see here Motorola brilliant. They put OLED display in this phone. So without any further ado, let me take this phone out. I already have cut the tag from one side. Here we go. Wow, beautiful device this is. Let me take this out from here. The most important thing here, I see something different. You have a cover on this phone, so it's coming with a case. This is free case and very high quality case. I have received so many phones from Samsung, but I never received this quality of case. I had some case, but not this quality. Beautiful phone. I will take this case off. Wow. The body is aluminum if I'm not wrong. I could be wrong. So the phone look premium. So here you have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And also I've been using iPhone 12 here, you can see. So this look premium. The display is 6.4 inches, that is 1080 into 2400 pixel. The camera insane 50 megapixel. Awesome. You have triple camera, 4 GB of RAM and 5000 milliamp battery. Before go to the phone, let me show you what we have more in the box. Okay, in this case, let's see, we have something here, you see. Okay, wow, lovely this is. So you have SIM injector or pin, so you can use for SIM this one to take out and take in the SIM. One side more, we have a paper Moto G. Okay, lovely. What more we have? Let's see here. Whatever, put all this one side. More things, we have a charger. Lovely, great charger, and a data connector. Nothing special as all the phone. It doesn't come with headset, so that is every company, nobody is giving you more headset, neither Apple neither Samsung. Put the box one side. Let's go to the phone here. Lovely looking phone, high build quality. Let me show you here. Then we have a SIM tray. Here you can use the pin to inject the SIM inside. Bottom of the phone you have power connector. This is C port if I'm not wrong. Wow, this is lovely. It's coming with C port. You have 3 holes for speaker, 1 hole for mic if I'm not wrong. After that, the top, you have 3.5mm jack hole. What a surprise. We don't have more in Samsung and Apple phone, this one. Here another microphone or speaker. I think this is a speaker. This side of the phone we have volume rocker button and 2 buttons. One is power and another pause could be. And at the front you have 1 camera. The back side you have 3 cameras. One of them is 50 megapixel. So wow, this is great. Without further ado, I'm hitting the power button. Wow, lovely graphics.
Hello, Moto.
By Motorola. So I have to set up this phone. So this is only unboxing and first impression of Motorola Moto G31. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye.